Hello, Paul here from AMD Automotive in Caringbah, Sydney. Today I've just finally got everything apart on top of the engine here, so I can actually take the oil cooler out. I've got the oil separator out as well. I've got a new one as well to replace the oil separator. All the hoses here I had to take out, belts, AC compressor, breather hoses, coolant hoses, everything had to come out underneath here, and here, and the front here. So I can actually, even the breather hoses as well, so you've got to be very careful so you don't break anything. I'm taking the starter motor out as well, because when I started the vehicle, I had a little video before, started the vehicle up and the starter motor goes ning, ning, so not coming back. So it's hard, actually I'm going to show you in the video before, but I'm going to take the starter motor cable out. I've got a new starter motor cable. I'm taking the starter motor out as well. And I'm doing the actual oil cooler, as you can see. I got it off. Really hard to get to the bolts because there's no room. Usually you're supposed to remove the engine out to do this job, but I've done so many that I can do in the car like this. It's really hard. There's no room, but it's actually much better. I only take the engine out if I really can't do the job, but this one here I can do it. Alright, there you go here. So it's leaking down at the bottom there, so it's been leaking for a long time now, so I finally got my parts from Germany, so I'm doing it today. So, okay, just showing you what I'm doing. Hopefully I can finish that this thing here tomorrow, so I can actually, and I've got to wait for hopefully they've got a starter motor, exchange starter motor in stock, so I can get a starter motor and put it in. Because this starter motor here, it's the original one from day one. So I don't want to put everything back together and then start the car up, and 6 months later the starter motor starts to fail, because it's already starting to fail already. So I might as well get it done properly, so I can actually finish that and finish this. And all the front is already done here. All I'm going to do is put this. All I'm going to do is put this on later. But everything else at the front is all done. Alright. I'm just nearly done at this front here, so I can finish this car and start it up. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.